everybody. Welcome to ABC Interactive English. I am Shane.
And I'm Hanny.
Hi, Hanny.
Hi, Shane. So for our Annie's Mailbox this month, we're going to read a letter, and the title is, Do you want to live abroad?
Ooh, like in another country?
Right. Well, actually, I did. I would say I did. I once wanted to live in Vienna.
But why?
Austria, 在奥地利的维也纳。因为我曾经去过那边，然后我发现那里的街道好美哦，你好像走在艺术品里面。然后那边的人也常常去听歌剧、看表演，好有艺术气息。我觉得走过去，住在那里，我都整个人变高级了。Anyway, but I don't think I can get used to the weather there.
Oh, so that's why you never really lived there, just visited there.
Right, so I said I did.
Something happened to me while I was traveling. I did go to Vienna and it was beautiful, but I found a place that I liked even more, which was Barcelona.
Ooh, Barcelona.
Yeah, in Spain. And I traveled there for 1 week, and then I decided after I graduate from university, I will go back and live there. And I did. I lived there for 1 year.
你太好了吧，
It was
可以在那边
awesome.
住1年呢。
Yeah, it was so great.
So did you actually love there when you actually lived there?
Yeah, absolutely. It was so wonderful. The people were really nice, and I lived right across the street from the beach.
Wow.
It's like paradise.
好羡慕哦。
Why did I leave?
Why are you here in
I know, why
Taiwan?
am I here? I should go back.
好了，那我们来看看这个信件，来看看我们的作者 Albert 他到底想不想住在国外咯。那我们来读读看这封信。
Dear Annie, I really want to live in different countries for a period of time. I'd like to do that because there are many things worth seeing and experiencing, such as foreign cultures and foods. I think English-speaking countries like Australia, the US, and the UK are good choices. They offer great universities, famous sightseeing spots, and diverse cultures. The environment in Taiwan is good. However, if I can live abroad and experience the local customs in various countries, I'll be very happy. Sincerely, Albert.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. So, do you want to live abroad?
Do you? 你想住在国外吗？
I live abroad now,
Yeah.
right?
哎，对了，可是我已经把你当台湾人了。
Yeah, sometimes I feel like I'm already Taiwanese, local.
对啊，老师住很久嘞。
对啊。
对啊，很 local 吧？我们来看看这封 Albert 写的信喽。
Okay.
So,
Dear Annie, I really want to live in different countries for some time.
for some time. 好
Some time.
Sometime 好，他说我非常想住在不同的国家一段时间。他这边用到 sometime，老师 sometime 是指某个时间吧？
Yeah,
对不对？
right.
就是它是一个副词，它可以指可能未来、将来啊，或者是过去的某个时间。可是在这里好像不适用。
That's wrong here.
我们先来看一个 sometime 的例句，可能比较清
Okay.
楚。好。
So, for example, you can say, I'll stop by sometime tomorrow.
意思就是我明天某个时间会去短暂拜访一下，
Right.
就 sometime 就是某个时间而已。可是你现在是要说住在不同国家一段时间，这时候你可以用动词加上 for a period of time 去表达做某事一段时间。这个 period 这个名词就是时期、期间的意思。
Right.
像我们可以说 He has quit smoking for a period of time， 他戒烟一段时间了。
Right. And if you don't want to use the word time in there, it's pretty common for us to say for a while.
所
I
以
want to live there for a while.
I want to live in a different country for
For
a
a
while.
while.
我想在别的国家住一阵子，所以你也
Right.
可以用 for a while 这种比较口语的方式表达。那只是我们这边，如果你要用住在那边一段期间，你就会说 live in different countries for a period of time， 这样才正确。
Right.
So the correct sentence is
I really want to live in different countries for a period of time.
okay. So continuing.
I'd like to do that because there are many things worth to see and experience, such as foreign culture and food.
好，这边有几个错误，我们先
Every time there's a mistake, it's hard for me to read it.
对，有没有听到老师刚刚念起来都卡卡的，就表示有错了。好，这句话是说，我会想那么做，是因为很多事物都值得亲眼目睹与体验，像是外国的文化与食物。那这边其实出现2个错误，我们现在看第一个，他说 worth to see and experience 这个部分。
Right.
好，我们说 worth 就是值得做什么事情嘛。So you would say worth something or worth doing something.
Right. So, for example, you can say the town is worth a visit, or the town is worth visiting.
哦，这个城镇值得拜访。那这时候你可以用 worth a visit 加名词的方式，或是 worth visiting 加动名词的方式去表达值得拜访。那所以我们这边课文里面这个 worth 后面的 see 跟 experience 就要改成 seeing 跟 experiencing 才符合文法咯。好，下一个错误是在于 such as foreign culture and food。乍听之下好像没有什么问题，可是我们在讲某一类人事物的时候，整个整体的话，我们一般会用复数型表达。虽然我们说 culture 和 food 常常是当不可数名词用，可是 culture 你要表达不同文化的话，就会加 s 是可数名词。那么要讲食物种类，我们就会把 food 加 s， 可以把它当成可数名词喽。
Right. So, for example, I enjoy learning about different cultures.
好，我们说我喜欢学习不同文化，这时候 different cultures 加一个 s。
Or for food, he can't eat certain foods.
哦，它有一些东西，它有一些食物是不能吃的，那有些食物种类不能吃，所以我们用 certain foods 加 s。所以这边课文这个 foreign cultures 跟 foods 这个 s 都要加上去，这样子才正确哦。好，那我们改完2个错误，可以请 Shane 老师帮我们念正确句子了。
No problem. So the correct sentence should be, I'd like to do that because there are many things worth seeing and experiencing, such as foreign cultures and foods.
Right. 哦，我真的很喜欢去国外品尝当地食物 local foods.
Yeah, I think for me, I would say first I would place foods and then cultures after that.
食物优先。
But food is part of the culture.
哦 ，true，
Right.
食物也是文化一部分，对不对
？Food.
老师，你是为了台湾的夜市来这里住的吗？
Actually, no. I did it. I moved here because my wife is from here. After I moved here, I really loved the food. But the opposite is true when I moved to Barcelona. Actually, I didn't really like the food there. The food, I'm a vegetarian, and they didn't have a lot of vegetarian food for me to eat there.
哦，在巴塞隆纳可能素食的选择比较少，所以还是台湾比较好啦。
Definitely.
Okay, so let's take a break.
Okay.
When you're in Taiwan, Taroko National Park is blank a visit. The correct answer is B, worth. When you're in Taiwan, Taroko National Park is worth a visit.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, everybody.
So we've been reading a letter written by Albert.
Yes.
Talking about living abroad, right?
Living in a different country.
That's right. So why don't we continue?
Okay. I think English-talking countries like Australia, the US, and the UK are good choices.
老师是听到
Talking countries?
English talking
So
countries
countries can talk?
会一直讲话的国家，嘎嘎嘎嘎嘎嘎这样子吗？好，我们看看他的意思是，我认为像是澳洲、美国和英国这些说英语的国家会是不错的选择。那我们来看看他这边说 English talking countries， 在英文里面有这个说法吗
Definitely not, unless it's a cartoon and there's some country and he's talking.
哦，可能某个国家跟某个国家卡通，然后他们在吵架，巴拉巴拉巴拉这样子。好，那我们来看看说某种语言这个动词，我们习惯用 speak， 你会说 speak English， 说英文呢 speak
Spanish.
说西班牙文
Hola.
or speak Japanese 之类的。
こんにちは。
こんにちは。好，那我们现在要 用 talk 的话呢，一般会是表达说话、谈话，我们会说 A talks to B or A talks with B，A 和 B 谈话。老师，我想问说，Do you talk to your wife in English most of the time?
Yeah, I usually speak English to her, and she'll speak Chinese to me.
Oh.
So when we're talking, it's two different languages. And sometimes I will suddenly speak Chinese, and sometimes she will suddenly speak English.
全部都混在一起了，有时候中英文混杂这样子讲。
But it's fun.
好，所以我们刚刚在讲在聊天的情况，我们用 talk。可是我们现在要说英语的国家，像这个澳洲、美国、英国这些说英语的国家，我们说英语的会用 English speaking.
Right.
So the correct sentence would be
I think English-speaking countries like Australia, the US, and the UK are good choices.
Yeah, I think they are good choices.
Definitely.
If you can speak English, that's very convenient.
Yeah, it's good to go to a place where you're in an environment where everybody's speaking English. They're all native English speakers. It's hard not to learn.
没错，你去说英语的国家学习英文就会很快咯。好，那我们再来看看信件下一句怎么说。
They offer great universities, famous sightseeing spots, and diverse cultures.
好，这边有几个补充单字，我们看一下。我们说 sightseeing。
So, sightseeing is when a tourist visits interesting buildings and places. Like usually, obviously, it's a tourist, so outside from where you live, maybe a different city, different country.
所以它就是有观光游览那种意思。我想要说一下这个 sight sight， 它其实就有风景、景色、名胜啊、观光地的那些意思。所以 sightseeing， 你就可以看出它是有观光游览的意思了。你要去看这些景色，对不对？好，再来还有一个补充单字是 diverse。老师是不是也有人念别的念法？是不是像 diverse 这样子？
diverse and diverse.
对，两个念法都有。那它是一个形容词 ，it's an adjective.
Right. I think I say diverse.
Diverse. You said diverse.
Okay, I did say diverse. Sometimes I don't know.
不知道，用交换着用这样。
But it just means many things that are quite different from each other.
好，所以它就是去形容多元的那种意思。那我们刚刚这个句子就是要讲说，像刚刚说的这些说英语的国家，他们拥有很棒的大学啊，有知名的观光景点，还有多元的文化。我们用 diverse 去描述多元的。接下来我们看看 Albert 他讲回台湾哦，他说什么
It says, the environment in Taiwan is good.
However 很重要，他是要说台湾环境很棒，但是
However, if I can live abroad and experience the local customs in various countries, I'll very happy.
I'm very happy.
I'll very happy.
好，我们来看看啊，老师不 happy， 因为他念错误的英文。他说：“然而，如果我可以住在国外，在各国体验当地习俗，我会非常高兴。”这边他用到 various， 就是形容各式各样的。那老师这个字跟我们刚刚学这个 diverse 意思也蛮像的，对不对？
Yeah, it's really similar. So, like, we'll use this usually before a noun, and it just means several different.
Several different，
Right.
就是很多不同的这种意思。好，那这边这个句子的错误是出现在 I'll very happy。
Yes.
好，这个 I'll 就是 I will 的缩写。那助动词 will 呢，可以表达未来式，我们会用 somebody will 加上原形动词 somebody will do something。
Right.
可是我现在 happy 没有动词啊。我不能说 I will do happy 的。
Now we need be.
所以这时候如果你要碰到一个形容词，你前面要先接一个原形动词 be 动词或者是连缀动词。像我可以说 They will be late， 他们会迟到。这时候我们有加一个 be。Or fresh food won't stay fresh forever.
You definitely won't. No.
新鲜的食物并不会永久保鲜，所以我们用 stay fresh 去用 stay 连缀动词去接 fresh。那这句 I'll happy 要写成
I'll be very happy.
这样才正确了。Okay, so the correct sentence would be
However, if I can live abroad and experience the local customs in various countries, I'll be very happy.
and sincerely
Albert.
好，
Or it's like this.
哦，
他是手写还是他是？
很难说。好，先假装是用写的好了
Okay.
搞不好他会写很厉害的草写。
Yeah, Albert.
Anyway, okay, that's it for today.
That's it for Annie's Mailbox. Thank you for joining us.
I will see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dear Annie, I really want to live in different countries for a period of time. I'd like to do that because there are many things worth seeing and experiencing, such as foreign cultures and foods. I think English-speaking countries like Australia, the US, and the UK are good choices. They offer great universities, famous sightseeing spots, and diverse cultures. The environment in Taiwan is good. However, if I can live abroad and experience the local customs in various countries, I'll be very happy. Sincerely, Albert.
Ribbon King is a factory that makes ribbons and textiles. They can be used for Christmas decorations, floral designs, clothing parts, and wrapping material. The M-shaped entrance combines the imagery of Nine Turns Lane and One Line Sky. The 3D installation art by the entrance, including cute cartoon characters such as Winnie the Pooh, is made of yarn cops. Walk into the park and you can see how ribbons are made and better understand weaving. Ribbon King has a lot of products, such as the drawstring ribbon. All you have to do is pull the drawstrings in opposite directions to make a bow. The sticky ribbon is like paper tape and is good for packaging. Visitors can also use the ribbons in the free ribbon pack for DIY ribbon dyeing. Afterward, you can practice making the perfect bow. Ribbon King is a great place to shop and have fun.